Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating the address string itself. Many Safari errors come from a single bad character. Type the domain root, try HTTP versus HTTPS, and remove trailing slashes or query junk. Once done, confirm your device is online, Wi-Fi enabled, airplane mode off, and you have a working IP. If you're on cellular, make sure data is allowed. These first steps eliminate the most common causes before deeper fixes. Next, clear Safari's cache and website data. Stale entries can block valid addresses. You should restart the app and the device to flush temporary DNS entries. If the problem persists, switch to a reliable DNS such as 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 in Wi-Fi settings to avoid ISP DNS misresolution. Also disable VPN or proxy services briefly to check whether routing or content. Finally, verify the host itself is reachable by testing the same address on another device or browser. This isolates Safari versus server faults. If Safari still reports an invalid address, reset network settings to clear corrupted configurations. This resets saved Wi-Fi, but often resolves stubborn DNS or routing issues. Make sure to rejoin networks afterwards. If none of this works, try a different network or contact the website administrator as a last step. Often the site's DNS or certificate is the true.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.